Well, OneCor Services is in the oil and gas industry and primarily in North Dakota. They service oil rigs to provide services such as control of weeds to make sure that there's not a fire that can take place around an oil well. When OneCor came to the Attivo Group, they were manually keeping track of all of the oil wells that they were controlling weeds for. This meant that they were writing paper tickets in the field, turning them into an office, updating Excel spreadsheets, and then re-entering them for billing purposes into a system. Very manually intense operation. This diverted their management attention to a lot of clerical work that didn't need to be done. And as the business was growing, they were faced with either adding more people to handle this manual process or to automate it. Attivo spent a significant amount of time understanding the day-to-day operations of OneCor Services. We were then able to identify a way to automate this process using an online database and a mobile application to account for all of the activity that had to be recorded. To eliminate the need to actually write paper tickets in the field, we developed a mobile application. The problem with oil fields is they're often very, very remote, where there's no cellular service, no Wi-Fi. So consequently, the application had to be able to capture information, store it locally, and then later upload it to the cloud where it could then be processed. So OneCor Services was able to automate this entire process using the mobile devices in the field. This saved them a tremendous amount of clerical effort and allowed them to turn their management efforts to more important matters. And the interesting thing about OneCor is, because they're in North Dakota, and because we were doing most of this work during the winter months when it wasn't so busy for them, we never even set foot in North Dakota. And we've had a tremendous relationship with their team. It just goes to show how easily we can work remotely today.